Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LastPass breach monitoring and emergency access detailed guide step by step clearly.
Open your LastPass vault by logging into your account.
Navigate to the left sidebar and select the Security Dashboard option. Once you're in the Security Dashboard, look for the Breach Monitoring section. Click on the Breach Monitoring tab to access the feature.
If prompted, choose to enable breach monitoring by clicking the corresponding button. After enabling breach monitoring, LastPass will automatically scan for breaches related to your stored accounts. To set up emergency access, go back to the left sidebar and select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find the
Click on Emergency Access to configure who can access your vault in case of emergencies. Select the Add Trusted Person button to invite someone for emergency access.
You will need to enter the email address of the trusted person you wish to add.
Next, choose how long the trusted person must wait before they can access your account.
The options typically range from a few days to several weeks. Once you've set the waiting period, click Send Invitation.
Your trusted person will receive an email prompting them to accept the request.
After they accept, they'll be listed under your emergency access settings. You can return anytime to modify or revoke access if needed. Ensure that your email notifications are enabled to stay updated about breach alerts.
Lastly, regularly review your security settings to maintain optimal protection. That's it for configuring breach monitoring and emergency access in LastPass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.